Come on. Yeah! Woohoo! Let's go! Hey, Pumpkin, take a look at my new helicopter that I just bought. How much money these cost? Just around 2K. 2K, that's only like one propeller. What? I don't know. I don't know. Let's just go in and see how it works. The reason why I did that, guys, is because last time I did something which wasn't muted, it covered up my voice, so you couldn't hear me. So we're doing this. All right, I'm getting ready to fly. All right. I guess this isn't so bad. Yeah. By the way, I have no idea what I'm doing right now. Wait, what? Land! What problem? I don't know how to do that. Well, figure out how to. Oh, well, you see, there's no manual to like how to work this thing, so we're gonna have to learn on our way. No, right now. It might be stupid, Melon, but that's one of the most stupidest things I've ever done. Oh my God. Are you sure you don't know what you're doing? Yep. No idea. For some reason, it has my face on the back, so I don't know how the heck that got there. You put a sticker on it, didn't you? No, I didn't. Warning, too high up in air, going nosedive. Hey, what does that mean? We're going on a nosedive, you idiot. Wow. And that is the bad ending to the plane crash. Now, this is the good ending. Alright, now it's time to fly. Hey, you know what you're doing, right? Nope. Wait, what? What? Oh, no. Wait, I don't want to be here anymore. I want to go home. I want to go home. No. Let me off this thing. Well, we're kind of already like 2,000 feet in the air. No, like 2,000. We're kind of already like at a staggering 20 million inches up in the air. So, yeah, it doesn't look like you just jump out. And another thing, I don't have any parachutes. Why do you not have any parachutes? No. They didn't come with any, so yeah. Whoa, what's happening? We need to go back down. Alright, I'm gonna have to go on a nosedive, so be warned, Pumpkin. Alright. Whoa! I saw something. Yes, we made it! Safely!
Hang on a minute. We'll only hide if you promise not to forget your looking for us.
Alright, there. Happy ending! Yippee! Now, how do we get out? Oh yeah, that's something that I don't know how to do. Sorry. It's okay. Well. Pumpkin? Yeah, that's it. Bye.